Welcome to Oroville.com, where your pasta abilities are endless. Enjoy playful colors, funny doodles and great ingredients with pasta made right here in Oroville. What's the story behind our pasta? Keep watching to find out. United in pasta. I think we can all agree that the universal language of love is food. There is nothing like sharing a meal with your tribe, your family, fellow humans, and animal friends. Have you ever wondered about the origins of your pasta? Or even if noodles are Italian? Although popular legend claims Marco Polo introduced pasta to Italy following his exploration of the Far East, pasta can be traced back as far as the 4th century BCE. The Chinese were making a noodle-shaped food as early as 3000 BCE. The special Italian way of turning noodles into pasta is by using semolina. How do you like your pasta? Do you like it spicy? Or do you swirl your noodles on a spoon? We still have an amazing pasta story to share with you. And you can read about it in our blog by following the link in the description below. If you have the time to get creative, you can also send us your Italian-style noodle doodle to the email, also in the description. We hope you learned something with us today, and that you will remember to subscribe on your way out. Take care and see you soon.